It has long been a dream of many short people to grow taller, and this dream has never stopped. It's proved by experts worldwide that the first milk secreted by cows contains crucial elements to help increase height. It can stimulate the body to secrete more growth factors. For short people, this is really great news. In the following report, you will get more information on the secret weapon for growing taller. Those who want to grow taller have to break through a couple of physical limits, which are the efficiencies of absorbing and transforming calcium. After years of research, experts worldwide have successfully extracted a growth hormone from the first milk secreted by cows after their first birth. This first milk has strong effects on height increase. It can provide a powerful driving force to help people grow taller, which is 600,000 times more efficient than regular milk, 100,000 times more than a calcium tablet, and 40,000 times more than seaweed calcium. Its powerful bone-making ability is 1.6 times more effective than growth hormones. This first milk growth hormone can help a calf to increase its bone mass by 12 times in just 1 year. Because it's a nutrient source for animal bone cells, it can be completely absorbed by the human body and transformed into bones quickly. The first milk growth factor can also powerfully promote blood-producing functions, increase blood circulation, and speed up the transportation of blood. Therefore, all the nutrients can be used for height increase and physical development. Because it can stimulate the pituitary gland to secrete more growth hormones, the height increase effect is thus doubled. Also, it can enhance the immune system and increase the resistance to diseases. It can make you healthier. As Dr. Fujudu from Japan said, first milk growth factor can make you very strong and healthy. The milk secreted within 24 hours after a cow that's just given its first birth contains the most precious growth factors. As in the human, the first milk can help a newborn to grow over 10 centimeters in just a few months. Now this precious growth factor has already been extracted to be included in the formula of Fast Tighten, and no other traditional growth supplements can compare with its effects. After the various benefits of first milk are confirmed, experts in related fields have all recommended the first milk growth factor as an effective, safe, and side effect-free natural height increase supplement. However, a cow can only secrete less than 5 liters of first milk within the 24 hours following its first birth, of which only 10 grams of growth factor can be extracted to be included in the formula of Fast Tighten. Therefore, first milk growth factor is really precious. In the past, you may have tried every possible way to help improve your height, but without success. It's because you neglected the power of nutrients, underestimated the importance of calcium, or maybe didn't know about growth factors. In fact, growth factors are critical in helping you increase height quickly, of which first milk growth factor is the most efficient. It will not only help you grow taller, but also promote your overall good health. With 1 kid, it can help increase your height by 3 to 5 centimeters. With 2 kids, it can help increase your height by 5 to 8 centimeters. With 3 kids, it can help increase your height by 8 to 12 centimeters. Also, it can help prevent the shrinking of bones, increase bone density, and preserve the bone mineral density to help you be free from osteoporosis.
The functions of colostrum in the first milk can help protect us from diseases, keep us from having colds, and prevent the invasion of viruses. According to medical reports, with just a serious cold or a disease during development, the development rate will be greatly affected. For example, if you could have been able to grow to 180 centimeters, but with 6 serious colds and 3 other major diseases during development, it's very likely that you would grow to the height of only 171 centimeters. Since colostrum in the first milk can help enhance the immune functions in turn, it will benefit height increase.
According to studies, the amount of nutrients in your body accounts for 40% of height increase effects. Absorption efficiency accounts for 40%, and deep sleep accounts for 20%. From above, we can see that the absorption efficiency has deep sleep play major roles in height increase. In the formula of Fast Tighten, the nanonized vitamin D3 can help increase the absorption of first milk growth factor by up to 99.7%, which means all the growth factor is almost fully absorbed by the body. First milk can promote the forming of a better physique, help the development of the brain, and even tranquilize our minds in order to double our deep sleep time. If the deep sleep time can be doubled, the height increase speed will be doubled as well. Most people spend 8 hours sleeping a night, but deep sleep time is only 3 hours long. If you can extend the deep sleep time to 6 hours, the growth hormone secreted by your pituitary gland will be twice as more than most people. Therefore, you will grow twice as fast as others in a shorter time. So remember, you need more than sufficient sleep. You need to double your deep sleep time to help you grow taller. This is really the key to height increase. Now, the height increase product you are longing for has become a reality that you can experience for yourself. As long as you use Fast Heighten, which includes ingredients extracted from the latest technology, it will give you the height you have long dreamt of. If you want to feel what it's like to grow taller very quickly, if you want to go from a petite figure to a tall one, if you want to change your weak physique to a strong one, then Fast Heighten is definitely the best product you should not miss out on. Don't give up on trying, because Fast Heighten can help you grow taller and increase your height quickly and naturally.
How tall are you now?
165 centimeters.
How tall were you?
I was only 159, not even 160.
Not even 160? Can we see your pictures?
Sure.
Which one is 159? This one?
Yes.
You looked very petite.
I was about the same height as my mom. I was half a head shorter than my dad.
You are obviously taller now, right?
Almost as tall as my dad.
So were you bothered by your height?
Yes, of course. I used to have my pants shortened because my legs were just not long enough. I really wanted to grow taller. My friends used to mock me about my height and call me shorty. It was really quite annoying and terrible.
I'm sure it was.
I used to think she looked very cute, even though she wasn't very tall. Then I found out her proportions weren't right. After using